development has taken slightly longer than expected, but the result was well worth the wait. In developing M-Design gas stoves, not only the beautiful and austere lines have been taken into account, the output, quality and user-friendliness were the most important goals. Our gas stoves have not only been given EC approval, but they also comply with the strictest HR Plus requirements. An HR Plus approval means that the stoves have to achieve a minimum output of 85%, with CO2 and soot emissions that are as low as possible. The Lunar 1300H gas, for example, achieved an output of no less than 87%. At M-Design, all lunar gas stoves are closed combustion systems. This means that the inside flue tube sees to the discharge of the smoke gases and the outside flue tube to the combustion air. This all takes place in a concentric tube system, a tube with two flue tubes. The central flue tube sees to it that the combustion gases are discharged, whereas the outside flue tube sees to it that there is a supply of combustion oxygen. Thanks to this system, you can now choose whether you want to take the flue tubes through the roof or directly through the wall. This new generation of gas stoves has been equipped with the highest quality burners, gas valves and automatic burner. The automatic burner continuously keeps a watchful eye on the system to guarantee maximum safety. It has even been equipped with a double explosion shutter. M-Design wants to take no chances. The unique stainless door is very handy to open, so that it can be cleaned once or twice a year if necessary. You can open the door with the aid of a little key, which is supplied with the stove. The door then tilts to an angle of 45 degrees, which facilitates cleaning. When it comes to design and possibilities, M-Design takes a giant leap ahead. This enables you to choose whether you want a metal wall or a black mirror one. They both give you a wonderful reflection of the dancing flames. As interior decoration, you can choose between wooden branches, white Carrara pebbles, white Carrara, diamond, or sapphire gravel. A standard accessory to the stoves is a thermostatic remote control which is easy to operate. You can also operate it manually. This provides optimum user-friendliness. You control the heating fire without having to get out of your armchair. There are various forms of control. A thermostatic control regulates the appliance in relation to the temperature in the living room. You can also pre-program the regulation with a time switch. Many people choose to regulate the height of the flames manually. You can adjust the programming of the controls or change from one type of control to another anytime you like. The combustion chamber has been constructed in 3mm Corten steel, whereas other manufacturers use only 1.5 to 2mm. The thick walls not only extend the life expectancy, but also see to better accumulation. These factors, together with the correct construction, see to it that the stove does not make unpleasant noises when heating up or cooling. The burner tray can be completely dismantled. This means that you can have access to the electronics underneath the appliance at all times. Therefore, if there is a defect in certain parts, such parts can be replaced effortlessly at all times, even while the appliance is still inset in the chimney. There are many various ways of making the connection. It is possible to have 10 meters running horizontally, while having only 1.25 meters running vertically. The lunar gas stoves are a perfect combination of design, output, user-friendliness and safety.